dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel trying, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow. Setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. The stars align when we it's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat faster. Reach out and find it. Find joy only ever The evening star will shine bright, so make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen.
Out there, strolling by the sand, taste the morning out there like ordinary men who freely walk about there just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share of resent, of despair, old and bent. I won't care, I'll have spent one day out
Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins.
There it goes. Funny Nemo. trust them.
Claro.
Having a best friend by your side opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
Yeah. There it is. Jungle. That's not Jungle Book. What is that? Is that Jungle Book? It is. Oh, Tarzan. Okay. There it is. Lion King. Toy Story. Let's fit into it. Let's sleep. Right. There's the Jungle Book. Now it's the Jungle Book. The bare necessities. Wreck-It Ralph. Bigger than six. Yeah, Baymax. Monsters.
That's what friends are for.
There's the genie. There he is.
Never had a friend, never had a friend you ain't. Never had a friend, never had a friend you ain't. Never had a You never had a friend like me.
Yeah. That was cool. Frozen.
Some people are worth melting for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door.
it over yet.
Flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
Incredible! Playing the robot. Little Mermaid. Ursula's trying to get him.
Look inside yourself. You are what you will become.
Of a far-off place where a hero would be waiting for me,
Where the crowds would cheer when they see my face,
and the voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
Hercules. Little Mermaid, Cinderella. Woody from Toy Story up there. Alice in Wonderland's over here to the left.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the loss voices and all the glory.
We're changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky.
We all have the courage to fly. You can fly. You can fly.
Thank you for joining us this evening for our nighttime spectacular, Happily Ever After, presented by Pandora Jewelry. Please enjoy the rest of your evening here at Magic Kingdom as you continue your journey toward your Happily Ever After.
Oh, that's cool. I love it. It's way better than what I was looking. It was nothing like what I was looking. Flying across the sky.